Using explicit formulas for arithmetic sequences. We can think of an arithmetic sequence as a function on a domain of the natural numbers. It is a linear function because it has a constant rate of change. The common difference is the constant rate of change, or the slope of the function. We can construct the linear function if we know the slope and the vertical intercept. A subscript n is equal to the first term a subscript 1 plus d times n minus 1. To find the y-intercept of the function, we can subtract the common difference from the first term of the sequence. So consider the following sequence. We have 200, 150, 100, 50, and then 0. If we subtract 50 from 200, we get 150. If we subtract 50 from 150, we get 100. Subtract 50 from 100 is 50, and subtract 50 from 50 gives us 0. So the common difference is minus 50. So the sequence represents a linear function with a slope of negative 50. To find the y-intercept, we subtract negative 50 from 200. So 200 minus negative 50 is 200 plus 50, which is equal to 250. So if we take a look at the graph, we can see that if we extend this up here, we would then see it's crossing the y-intercept at 250. So you can also find the y-intercept by graphing the function and determining where a line that connects the points would intersect the vertical axis, as shown here in figure 4. Now recall, the slope-intercept form of a line is y equals mx plus b. When dealing with sequences, we use a subscript n in place of y and n in place of x. We know the slope and vertical intercept of the function. We can substitute them for m and b in the slope-intercept form of a line. Substituting negative 50 for the slope and 250 for the vertical intercept of the y-intercept, we would get the following equation. A subscript n, which is equal to negative 50n plus 250. We do not need to find the vertical intercept to write an explicit formula for an arithmetic sequence. Another explicit formula for this sequence is a subscript n, which is equal to 200 minus 50 times n minus 1. If we distributed this negative 50 to both terms, it would simplify to the following. A subscript n, which is equal to negative 50n plus 250. So the explicit formula for an arithmetic sequence is the following. A subscript n, which is equal to a subscript 1 plus the common difference times n minus 1.